Okay, I thought I'd do this quick video about snapping. And I've watched a number of tutorials of other people doing it, and it works fine with boxes and something simple. But whenever it's something complicated, okay, so let's give an example. Let's say I want to move that trigger. So link select all. I'm just going to separate it off into its own thing, and then on the default snapping, so we have. I've enabled the snaps as on vertex snap, and it's the default snap to closest, right? So with a box or something, a cube, something simple, you can easily go to a corner. I think this is how it works. Grab and then drag that and then snap it to stuff. But on anything more complicated, I just can never get it to work exactly how I'd expect, right? I think, okay, so I'm near the corner there and grab it and try and snap. It's just like I can't get it to work, and so I need a more guaranteed method of making it work for 3D printing stuff, or adjusting a step file or an STL. So how I tend to do it is I don't use the closest thing. I just tab into edit mode and then use Control S to change the cursor to selected. So now we have moved down 3D cursor there. Then go out of edit mode into object mode and go set origin to 3D cursor. So now we have our like transform handle is always on our thing, right, on that corner. And then I put it to center. So now if I grab it, I always know that point is going to snap exactly. So yeah, just thought I'd make this quick video because it was driving me around the bend. But now I've got like a bulletproof method, if you like, to make sure that you can get the snaps exactly right. Because when it comes to 3D printing, if you're a fraction off, these handles like won't be stuck to the thing. And this is the thing, I hate gluing 3D prints together. So the layout of this Alien Pulse rifle was for like a 200 by 200 build plate, and I've got like a 300 to 300. So I might as well make the use of it and try and arrange the parts already, in optimal, so that I don't have to do gluing for everything. Okay, that's it.